how can we create Azure DevOps pipeline quickly. So let's start. So we just need to go to Azure DevOps portal, and then we can just select here pipelines. We need to click new pipelines, and we can select where is our code. Based on wherever we stored our code, we can select here. This is for YAML pipeline. If you want to use Azure DevOps UI to create the pipeline, so we can use the classic editor. Once we click here, again same questions, where is the code, like select the source, and then my code is at Azure Repos Kit, so I've selected here. Based on your code, you can select here, and then some additional informations that we need to select, like branch information and then repository. We need to click on continue, and then we need to select a template. If you want to select any template, so it will add some of the predefined tasks that will help you in creating the pipeline. If you are just clicking empty job, it will just create an empty pipeline, so you need to add the task manually. And then my project is .NET Core, so I'm just selecting .NET Core here, and then we can click on apply. So we can see it has just added agent job 1 with some other task here. So we need to select agent job here first. Agent we need to select. So agent is just build pipeline, build agent. We need to select like where the pipeline will run. So we need to select the build agent. So I'm just gonna select this Ubuntu latest, and these are the predefined steps it has already added since we selected the template. If you won't be selecting any template, these tasks won't be available here. Then we need to add manually by clicking this plus option here. So if you click here, so you will just get the tasks at the right side, and then you can just add one by one. So I can see here these are the very basic tasks for .NET project: restore, build, test, publish, and publish artifacts. So if you want to run this build pipeline, we just need to click on save and queue. So this will just save and queue particular pipeline. Before that, let's give a name to this pipeline. So I'm just gonna give a name as .NET CI, and then we can just click on save and queue. It will just run this particular pipeline. So we can see it has just queued this pipeline, so it will just start running. So for the detailed video, you can just refer my YouTube channel, and you can find all different type of pipelines. I have created a different playlist for Azure DevOps, so you can definitely refer that. See you in the next video.